let's talk about what products to use before, during, and after the massage. So before the massage and during the massage, you are going to use the product that could be called as a massage cream, but not necessarily. And honestly, massage cream might not be sold on every shelf in stores. Besides the massage cream that are most likely made, they are for the body, so they are not really suitable for your skin. What we need to know about the cream or serum or lotion that we need for the massage is that its primary goal and purpose is to make massage move smooth on your skin. Even if the cream is loaded with the best ingredients, it's very expensive, it's not like you really need that particular product. No, its main purpose for us to have the moves smooth so we could work with our skin. And the consistency of the massage will be the second most important thing. Even if your cream is so full of different ingredients and you do the massage once a week, well, it's not really gonna lift your face and promote that lymph drainage. Obviously, again, make sure you do the correct preparation protocol before the massage when you use a toner, a cleanser, makeup remover, all that. Of course, instead of the cream, you could use a serum. Well, I have combi skin, so serum would be a preferable choice for me. Plus, serums are much more concentrated than the creams, so that could be also a plus. The tricky part with the serums, though, is that you need to make sure that the consistency of the serum is not too watery, because if it is, it will just simply soak into the skin in 1 minute. And you need to find the serum that has gel-like consistency, and you need to look for the hyaluronic acid in the ingredients, but make sure it's listed as number 2 or 3 in that entire long list of ingredients. A little note about squalane. So there are 2 types of products you can find with squalane or squalene with an E. So squalane with an A and squalene with an E. Squalane is the product that is completely safe for oily, acne-prone skin. Squalene with an E. The product that I would not suggest you to use in the creams because it's highly comedogenic and it's not very stable. It's an antioxidant, but the process of oxidation happens really fast. I do not have dry skin, and I believe if you have dry skin or normal skin that tends to be really dry during winter months, squalene is a really good choice. It really promotes great moisture for your skin because it's actually part of the sebum. Anyway, the combination oily, acne-prone skin, even though you don't need to use squalene on a regular basis if you don't want to, it's a perfect product for a massage. And every time after the massage, you wash the product off your face, so you don't need to be afraid that it will be bad for your skin. If you have a product, your favorite product, which is in the form of a gel, you could definitely use it for the massage. They are supposed to give us smooth motion, the gels, and we need that for the massage. The only thing I want to mention is that do not use aloe vera. There is one purpose where we are using aloe vera gel, and that's in the ultrasonic therapy, but pretty much that's it. Also, massage oils could be another alternative, but I'm not a big fan of oils in pure form of the skin because they pretty much form a film on your skin and it prevents your skin from breathing, even though some might argue here that you don't do the massage for a long time and then you wash it off your skin. But I would still, again, if you have combination acne-prone, oily skin, to stay away from the oils, even if these are the oils rated 0 on a comedogenic list. I have collected a few names, the brands, which could be really good for the massage. There are different kinds, different budget, of course. I do not insist that these are the only products that could be used on your skin. You should also remember that we're all different. What might be good for one type of skin might not be good for the other. So I suggest you don't go ahead and spend so much money for a product right away, unless you want to. Let's say the Ordinary and Advanced Clinicals collagen cream, they are not really expensive. The pomegranate massage cream, the first one on the list, I really like that one, but it's kind of small. But on the other hand, it's a massage cream, so it's specifically made for that purpose. You won't really need a lot. Christina is a very good brand. It's actually a brand of professional cosmetics, not the mass market stuff. Now Dior is for everyone who adores Dior and could afford it. And Biotone Herbal Select Massage honestly has really good reviews on Amazon. I haven't tried that one myself. I'm pretty sure you will be successful in finding your one product that you could use for your massage, and I am sure you already might have a serum or a lotion that will work for the purpose. Definitely need to try first something you already have on hand, and then you could explore a little if you'd like.